To replace a gas water heater, you'll need wrenches and other common plumbing tools depending on what type of water pipes you have. You'll also need pipe joint compound or Teflon tape approved for fuel gas and gas leak detection solution. You can make gas leak detection solution using children's soap bubbles or hand dishwashing soap. Before removing the old water heater, turn the gas supply off. Next, turn the thermostat's temperature dial to the lowest setting. Push down on the metal tab and turn the control knob to the off position. Once the vent pipe is cooled, disconnect it from the water heater. Open a hot water faucet and let the water run until it's cool. Then, shut the cold water supply off. Connect a garden hose to the drain valve and open the drain to empty the tank. Opening a hot water faucet can help the tank drain faster. Cut the water pipes close to the water heater, leaving the pipes as long as possible. You can shorten them later if necessary. If you're using an installation kit with compression fittings, read the directions before disconnecting any water pipes. Disconnect the union on the gas line. And remove the gas pipe from the control valve on the old water heater. Water heaters are heavy. Get help to remove the old water heater and installing the new one. Install the new water heater in a drain pan, pipe to a drain. Install the air filter. The air filter should be vacuumed occasionally to remove dust and lint. Your new water heater must have a new temperature and pressure relief valve. Don't reuse the old one. Use the new one that came with your water heater. Next, install the discharge pipe. The discharge pipe must stop no more than 6 inches above a floor drain or outside. Many codes now require a pressure-reducing valve, a thermal expansion tank, and thermostatic mixing valves. If your home has copper pipes, you may be able to use compression fittings that don't require soldering. If you plan on soldering pipes, do not solder pipes while the pipes are connected to the water heater. Water heater connections contain plastic parts which will be damaged. Instead, solder a short piece of pipe to a threaded adapter. Put Teflon plumbing tape on the inlet and outlet connections and attach the threaded adapter. Cool the adapter with wet rags while soldering. Next, install the new draft hood. Do not reuse the old draft hood. Use the new one that came with your water heater. Use sheet metal screws to secure the draft hood to the top of the water heater and to attach the vent pipe to the draft hood. Install the gas pipe using pipe joint compound, taking care not to get the pipe joint compound inside the gas pipe or the gas valve. Turn the gas supply on and check for leaks using gas leak detection solution. You can make leak detection solution using 1 part hand dishwashing soap and 15 parts water. You can also use children's soap bubbles. Brush the hand dishwashing soap solution on the gas line connections and look for bubbles. Because gas pressure is low, it may take some time for bubbles to appear. If you see any bubbles, turn the gas supply off, then correct the leak and retest. Turn the cold water supply back on and check for water leaks. Most leaks are at connection points and are not a tank leak. Open a hot water faucet. At first, you'll only get air, then a few spurts of water. Wait until the water flows full stream. Then let the water continue to flow full for 3 minutes. Check the water pipe connections and retighten if necessary. Drips from the temperature and pressure relief valve are usually caused by high water pressure or thermal expansion. If your old water heater was leaking, your water pressure may be too high. Check your home's water pressure with a gauge. If the pressure is above 80 pounds per square inch, install a pressure-reducing valve. Water expands when heated, and thermal expansion can damage the water heater's tank and cause it to leak prematurely. Protect your water heater and your home's plumbing system with a pressure-reducing valve and a thermal expansion tank. This water heater has a new advanced gas valve, and lighting the pilot is different than on older models. To light the pilot, follow the lighting instructions on the water heater's label. Turn the control knob to pilot and press the knob in fully. Hold the knob in and click the igniter button about once a second until the status light begins to blink. It may take up to 90 seconds before the red status light begins to blink. The red status light will blink once every 3 seconds when the water heater is operating normally. With a new water heater, it may take 2 or 3 attempts before the pilot lights. If the red status light does not blink after 90 seconds, turn the gas valve off and wait a full 10 minutes before attempting to relight the pilot. One flash every 3 seconds means the pilot is lit and the gas valve is working normally. A solid red status light means the water heater is shutting down. Turn the gas control knob off and wait 10 minutes before attempting to relight the pilot. The status light will flash more than once every 3 seconds if an error is detected. Refer to the troubleshooting section in the installation instructions if an error flash code is displayed. When the red status light is blinking once every 3 seconds, release the knob and set the temperature to the desired setting. We recommend a maximum temperature setting of 120 degrees. The water heater's thermostat should not be the only temperature regulating device in your home. Install thermostatic mixing valves at each point of use to reduce the risk of scalding. See the water heater's labels for important safety information.
Do you have a plumbing problem at your home or business? Don't panic and trust fixing it to just anyone. Call us immediately. You'll have certified, affordable, local plumbers out to your home or business in a flash. We'll assess the problem quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right the first time. Guaranteed. If not taken care of quickly, your plumbing problem will turn into a plumbing disaster. Don't risk more damage and money by putting off the repair any longer. Get your problem fixed ASAP by calling your local plumbing experts today.